Good morning everybody. Today topic is find 4-point DFT of given sequence x of n equal to 1 0 0 1 by using linear transformation or another name is matrix method or matrix method. We know that we are using matrix method. The formula for DFT of sequence capital Xn suffix Xn equal to Fourier factor Wn small xn. This is the formula for DFT of sequence in matrix method. Here capital X value is in the matrix. This is a n point, this is n point, and this is n equal to 4 in this 4-point DFT. Therefore n equal to 4. So matrix is, this is a 4 by 1 matrix. This is dual factor value 4 by 4 matrix. Small x of n is a 4 by 1 matrix. We write here Wn equal to dual factor or phase factor. Formula is e power minus j 2 pi by n. This is very important. E power minus j 2 pi by n. Therefore x of n equal to capital X value. Here n is n equal to 4. Therefore x4 omega w4 small x4. This is conversion into the matrix form. Therefore x4, then n equal 4. Therefore values are 0 1 2 3, 0 to n minus 1. Therefore 0 1 2 3. This is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, small x of 0. Therefore x of 4 capital X values x of 0 n equal 4. Therefore x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 equal to dual factor values. This is a 4 by 1 matrix. This is 4 by 4 matrix. Therefore first we easily understand. We write 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, here easily understand by simplification by 0 into 0 0. Therefore n equal 4 omega 4 w4 0 0 into 1 0 w4 0 0 into 2 0 w4 0 0 into 3 w4 3. Therefore 1 into 0 w4 0, 1 into 1 1 w4 1, 1 into 2 2 w4 2, 1 into 3 w4 3. Here 2 into 0 0 w4 0, 2 into 1 2 w4 2, 2 into 2 w4 4, 2 into 3 w4 6, 3 into 0 0 w4 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9. Therefore this is a 4 by 5 matrix. Dual factor values is small x of n. Therefore x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. These values are given problem. We find out first Fourier factor omega for values, these values. Then we got the required solution 4-point DFT of given sequence. So first of all we find out the w40 you know that formula w1 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n. Here n value is 4. Therefore w4 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 4. Therefore by dual factor in this Wn whole power 0 equal to 1. Therefore, similarly, W4 whole power 0 equal to 1. The value of W4 of 0 equal to 1, and required values for this problem is W4 of 1, W4 of 2, W4 of 3, W4 of 4, W4 of 6. First we find out W4 of 1. We are by using formula W4 of Wn of equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n. Therefore, W4 of 1 W4 of 1 equal to, you know the formula e power minus j 2 pi by period factor n into 1. Therefore, W4 of 1 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n value is 4 into 1. We are using calci. W4 of 1 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 4 value. You know that from trigonometry formula e power minus j theta equal to cos theta minus j sin theta. We are using calci in radians mode. This value is cos of 2 pi by 4 minus j sin of 2 pi by 4 equal to cos of 2 pi by 4 minus j sin means I minus cos of 2 pi by 4 minus I sin 2 pi by 4 value is minus j. Similarly, we find out these values by using calci. W4 of 2 equal to minus 1, W4 of 3 equal to plus j, W4 of 4 equal to 1, W4 of 6 equal to minus 1, W4 of 9 equal to minus j. If we find W4 of 0 and some values of dual factor values, then is matrix multiplication of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. You produce capital X values. This is the DFT of x of n even sequence. Therefore, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 equal to matrix dual factor omega 4 of 0 equal 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This value omega for 1 equal to minus j, omega power 2 equal to minus 1, omega power 3 equal to plus j, omega power 0, 1, omega power 2 equal to minus 1, omega power 4 equal to 1, omega power 6 equal to minus 1, omega power 0 is 1, omega power 3 equal to j, omega power 6 equal to minus 1, omega power 9 equal to minus j. We know that x of 0, x of n, x of 2, x of 3 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. We are using matrix multiplication, then find out 1 into this value is, therefore first x of 0 equal to, capital X of 0 equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, therefore 2. X of 0 is 2. Similarly, here matrix multiplication then produce x of 1 equal to 1 plus j, x of 2 equal to 0, and x of 3 equal to 1 minus j. Therefore, the required DFT of the given sequence is 4-point DFT of given sequence is x of k equal to x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Therefore, x of k equal to 1 plus j, 0, x of 0 is 2, 1 plus j, 0, 1 minus j. This is the required DFT of the given 4-point DFT of x of n 1 0 0 1. దీన్ని కాకుండా మనం this is the 4-point. We are in this 8-point. We are using 8-point Fidel factors. We are using 6-point. We are using 6-point Fidel factor in this formula. Similarly, this is the 4-point DFT of the given sequence x of n 1 0 0 0 1. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.